Billy G.
What's up, gentlemen?
What's up, buddy?
Oh, it sounds good.
All right, let's take this mother humper out.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
See that car right there? I'm gonna drive the shit out of it. That's what I'm gonna do, because that's what they're made for.
We got Mr. Goldberg's 1968 GTX completely finished. I made the phone call. He is on his way down here right now. This is really cool. He had to fly in from San Diego to Portland. He's driving down this morning to come down and check out his car. There he is, Billy G. Billy G. Billy G is not my wrestler. Yeah, he is.
Hey, I was
Billy
pulling
G.
into her push. What's up, buddy?
I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting, my man.
Good to see you, partner.
Notice I lost 25 pounds.
Yeah, where'd he go?
Billy G.
What's up, gentlemen?
What's up, buddy? All right. How you doing, man?
See you good. Oh, I want to shake your hand. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man.
Nice to meet you. Collect your ears inside your head, Doc.
There's a long, sordid tale about this car. I bought it, and then somebody approached me. They really wanted the car bad, paid me a good amount of money for it. Fast forward about 2 years after that sale, I heard that the guy was keeping it outside. So I kind of went behind his back and had my wife go buy it out from under him.
All right,
Classic.
I'm gonna go get ready. You ain't going nowhere.
I want to
You
just
stay there.
stand right here.
All right, I will be back.
2
Kind of like
years
being
and
backstage
6
before.
months, 2 years and 7 months.
Hey, Bill. It's like being backstage before a big fight, huh? Yeah, big one, yeah. That's what I do.
Kinda. Oh, it sounds good.
Yeah, baby.
Look at that! Man, I love that. What a beautiful car, man. Mark comes up with some good period, end of story. I mean, at the end of the day, it's about entertainment. It's a nice added touch. It was really cool. Look at that damn thing. Oh my God. The feeling I had was replicated every time I went out to the ring. Nervous anticipation, excitement, and the general giddiness that any kid would feel on the night before Christmas.
Isn't that gorgeous?
How does the interior look?
Let's put the interior in with
Interior
Dave.
looks great,
Yeah.
along with everything else. The last time I drove this car was probably 2005. So it's been quite a long time, about, you know, a good 10 years at least since I've driven this car.
All right, let's take this mother humper out.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
See that car right there? I'm gonna drive the shit out of it. That's what I'm gonna do, because that's what they're made for.
It's nice to get that reinforcement from somebody like Bill Goldberg that we're on the right track and we're doing the right thing. So that made me feel very, very good. We made it.
You guys have definitely arrived. I mean, what you guys have done to this place and the cars that you're pumping out, it's unbelievable.
Like,
You guys have done a hell of a job. And I'm just honored that you would take my car in and do what you
we're
did
glad
with it.
to. Loading your car up here in the next week, putting it in our trailer, we're gonna run it down to you. So you decide if you want to come back empty or full.
Oh, are you kidding me? You kidding me? There's no doubt. It's already ready to go.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming up. I know you're short time, but you're back in the fall. talking about a motion picture together with us. Bill, thank you.
Yeah, we got to cut it off.
Say
here.
goodbye to the knuckleheads.
I don't even know.
Yeah,
where
I
to go
know.
from there.
Anyway,
Thank you,
motion
bro.
picture.
Thank you.
Talking probably opening weekend at 100 million.
Is he watching?
Hey!
Oh my God.
Don't make now.
It was great to see Bill again. I know he's going to be coming up. I know he's going to be coming up here, I think in September, he said. So it's sad to see him go, but it's nice to know that he'll be back here in a few months, and I think with a new car. So, because it looks like we'll be seeing more of him as the years
We're
come.
doing
So
another
that's
car for
pretty
him, but
exciting.
we're doing the whole car. So we're not just doing the put together.
Thanks, man.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah. Bill is the American dream lived out by means of having the heart and the soul to not only believe in something, but have the courage to believe in it and move forward. And so for me to Bill Goldberg, a big thumbs up. You're a good guy.